The graph above shows function f of x equals sine bx and 4 points from a data set. Determine the value of c that would make the graph of g of x equals a sine times b x plus c a good model for the data set. Basically what they're looking at, okay, is they're basically saying, look, we have these points and we need to try to make it fit this sine graph. So we need this graph to move over a little bit so it fits nicely. How many units do I need to make this graph look over so it fits the 4 dots? Well, if I move this graph 1, 2 units over, that should fit pretty nicely if I knew how to draw a straight line. Okay, so I need to shift the blue line left 2. This is a horizontal shift in a negative direction. Now, when I move left 2, that is actually inside the parentheses a positive change. So what's going to happen here is the difference between this guy and this guy is nothing except for the parentheses is going to be x plus 2 because when I move left, it's a positive change inside the x-axis or the x parentheses. So this becomes x plus 2. So a good c value would be c equals 2.